I don't have to be perfect.
We have to take the tram.
You don't have to be
What's up, guys? Today we're going to New York
See
City.
something in me.
I was acting like you.
For me, it takes
That's all I'm
time.
thinking, my cameraman.
And I know I
you
got
my camera?
feelings.
No,
know
maybe.
you do too. So let's work on it. Gotta make things fit, 'cause I'm right here for you. No, I don't wanna be tough.
Hello, hello.
Oh, sweet girl.
Doing the thing that mommy does when she wants a lip balm.
Little moments like these. You ask me, do I wanna have kids around? I don't know what that's about, but I want what you want. All the oddities. I don't want picture perfect memories. I want your complicated, messy. No, I don't wanna be tough. I just wanna be here and fall into you. Don't wanna be seen. Nobody sees through me the way you do. And I cannot hide, 'cause you break me down and you ease my mind. My mind.
You're so cute.
This feels like deja.
Oh, wee.
'Cause love is a swear word, but not with you. No, I don't wanna be tough. I just
Where are we going today?
We're also ice skating, Times Square, walk around, touristy stuff.
We love touristy stuff.
be here and fall into you. Don't wanna be seen. Nobody sees through me the way you do. And I cannot hide, 'cause you break me down and you ease my mind. My mind.
You're a pigeon? Is this cool? Santa! Santa!
I said I needed you, but baby, that was never true. And it's not personal, it's everything you put me through. I was so tangled, but I'm finding my way out of the puzzle.
Good morning. We are seeing the Rockettes today. I'm really excited. I can take What's good, gamers? Today we're gonna be exploring New York. I'm going outside and stealing my camera, my sister's camera. I almost said camera sister. This is the awesome Christmas tree right here. I couldn't think of anything more special. Alright, that's it for the Garrett Takeover. Thank you so much. I will see you next time in the next video, the next Garrett Takeover. Bye, guys.
'Cause you've been running around wherever, and always changing with the weather.
10 out of 10 recommend the Rockettes.
Recommend the Rockets.
Further. You know, I thought that I was clever, but now I'm piecing it together. I'm thinking maybe I'm a sucker for love. Daddy's even.
Oh!
Like a fairy tale, hiding in your pretty shell. But now your teeth are showing through, and little red is on.
Ready? Ready? Do you want to open your croissant?
It's so tangled, but I'm finding my way out of the puzzle. And baby, maybe you're a little tangled too.
We got outfit check, shirt from Old Navy, skirt from a boutique, jacket from J. Crew, headband from Michaela, grandparents, Amazon, Aura Nails, Nike, and we're going to the Met today. Okay, cool.
Thank you. It's a thing.
Cause you've been running around wherever, and always changing with the weather. I'm thinking maybe I'm a sucker for that. You know I thought that I was clever, but now I'm piecing it together. I'm thinking maybe I'm a sucker for that.
We're going back to Dallas today. We had so much fun in New York.
Never to return.
Just smile.
Tables turning
That was me.
today. Baby, you should know this fable's ending, and I'd like to say